Hello Aries, welcome into your My Psychic Prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And if you would like to have a free psychic reading, I am doing a live on my Instagram account. Please follow me there if you want to ask me a free question. Okay, Aries, I am seeing May is going to be the month of success. I am seeing a lot of doors, a lot of opportunities are coming your way. Door of success, door to prosperity, abundance, and joy are opening. And I am also seeing you will follow a discipline, like a timetable for you, and you will overcome all your weakness and you will work on increase your confidence. Some of you, I am seeing a soulmate figure person is coming into your life. Like this is only for 60 to 70% people who are listening this reading. And I am seeing this person will come out of blue and will blow up your mind. And I'm also seeing, guys, the things you have planned for my will come into 3D form. Like the things you are manifesting will come to you. If you have not decided yet what you want in the May, then write down on your journal like what you want, the money, prosperity, abundance, joy, everything you want in your life in the month of May. Manifest it, and universe will surely surprise you with all your manifestation by giving you in 3D form. Some of you Aries, I am also sensing here you need to have patience at your workplace because I am sensing work is like a headache for you right now. So all you can do right now for your work is be grateful and be patient. Do meditation, it will help you a lot. I am also seeing here Aries, a new door are opening related to work. Like you will make some important decisions related to your work, your career, and your business. And if you be grateful and start doing meditation like a 15 minutes in the morning, then this month will be full of success, prosperity, happiness, and joy. So this was for you Aries. Bye bye. Hello Taurus, welcome into your My Prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And if you would like to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. I will do a free live reading every month in the beginning of every month. So if you want to ask me a free question, then follow me there. Okay, Taurus, so I am seeing this month you will delete some people from your life like forever, and these people are like a karmic to you and they don't serve you anymore. So it's better if you delete this kind of people from your life. You will be more productive, happy, and I'm also seeing you will be like the center of the family. Like family will be your priority in this month. And I am seeing success in your business, and I am also seeing innovative ideas will come into your mind. You will apply a lot of new ideas into your business. If you apply these ideas, then your business will flourish and bloom. And for the people who are in a relationship, I am seeing you will spend a lot of quality time with your partner, with your loved one. And I am also seeing like you can go on a date or spend some time together, like for a coffee or just meet. And for singles, I am seeing you will feel a feeling of love, like someone will attract you, you will admire someone. It could be a new crush, or you will meet someone through social media. So that's for you, Taurus. Thank you. And if you want to ask me a free psychic question, then please follow me on Instagram. In live, you can ask me this question. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello Gemini, welcome into my psychic prediction reading. And remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And if you want to ask me a free psychic question, then please follow me on Instagram. Every month I will do a free live psychic reading on my Instagram account, and in live you can ask me a free question. Gemini, for you I am seeing this month will be a of ups and downs, like people will cause you some stress, and there will be some misunderstanding between you and your close friends or people, but I am seeing you will come out from these issues very soonly, and you will see who is true to you and who is playing mind games with you. And I am also seeing you will feel emotionally, and will find yourself stuck in a drama, but I am seeing after the mid of this month everything will be fine. People will attracted towards you, a lot of positive and helpful people will come and support you. I am seeing people will come for advice to you, and your old health issues will be solved soon. And I am also seeing, guys, you need to focus on your emotional and mental health, like if you're feeling a lot of stressful, if you're going through a lot of emotional crises, then the suggestion for you is do meditation and journaling on daily basis. It will help you a lot to make yourself happy, stable and positive. And I am also seeing you will make some important decisions related to friendship and your personal relationship. And this month will be like okay for you. By the end of this month, you will like let go of all the things that did not serve you in the past, and you will make room for new things to enter in your life. If you want to ask me a free psychic question in live reading, please follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Hello Cancer, welcome into your May month psychic reading. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. I do every month a free live psychic reading there. And if you want to ask, please follow me there. Okay, Cancer. So this month will be full of self discovery, and you will find yourself attracted to the spiritual world, because I am seeing here, guys, you are entering into the phase of searching, finding yourself and surrendering to the divine. I am seeing in this month you will ask a lot of question to yourself and from the spiritual people, because I am seeing you are going through spiritual awakening, and this is not like a minor or normal awakening. This is a major awakening. You are becoming a whole, you're finding the light within your heart, and you have a lot of caution related to spiritual world, spirituality. And I am seeing in this month you will dig deep to find the answer related to these aspects, like spirituality, life, tarot, everything. And you will understand yourself better, and you will find out who's real to you and who is not real. Like you will find out who are two-faced people in your life and who are genuine one. And I'm also seeing you will make wise choices related to friendship, love in this month. And this month is full of creativity. You will implement some changes, some ideas into your professional life. And I am also seeing positive changes here are coming in career and your personal life. And I am also seeing here you will sense the energy of your surrounding and change everything according to your soul's level, because I am seeing there is a lot of spiritual energy and a lot of good energies around you, and you will take 100% benefit of these energies. Cancer, you are also guided to say no to people, because I am seeing it is very difficult to you to say no when you are not ready or you are not want to help people. So please learn say no and stick to your spirituality, stick to become the best version of you. And right now I am sensing your center point is spirituality. Heal yourself, love yourself so you can attract better. I am also seeing, guys, your manifestation power is really very strong, and if you want something to manifest in your life, then this is the best time to manifest. Write down all the things that you want to manifest in your life, and universe will surely deliver to you. So that was for you, Cancer. Thank you. And if you want to ask me a free question, follow me on Instagram. And this will be only in live reading. You can ask me a free question in live reading. Hello Leo, welcome into your May month psychic prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free question, like a psychic reading, a free psychic question, then you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free psychic reading on my Instagram account, and in live you can ask your question. So, Leo, I am seeing this month is full of success, happiness, and joy, and you will accept yourself. You will accept your uniqueness. You will accept your spiritual gift. You will accept your every single side, and you will show the world this is me, this is truly me, and you will not make compromise with yourself. And I am seeing you are coming out of the shell and leaving the past behind and moving toward the future with optimistic hope and a lot of positive energies with you. And guys, I am also seeing this month will turn out to be a super successful for you. If you are looking for a job or you want to make some changes in your business, your professional life, then I am seeing this is the best time to do. And for people who are in a relationship and married, I am seeing you guys are getting rid from all the relationship problems that you guys were facing, and I am seeing there will be a relief peace in your relationship, and you guys will share a heart to heart conversation with your loved one. And for those who are going through dark night of soul, I am seeing your dark night of soul will end soon, and you will step into the new door of light, happiness, and joy and prosperity. I am seeing, guys, you are surrounded by your guides, and they are sending you messages through signs, number, and a lot of other things. Your financial status will bloom this month, like you will earn a lot of money. I am seeing a lot of money, bunch of money is coming into your life, and you will feel relief, free, and peaceful. And guys, if you're manifesting money in career, then keep manifesting, because I am seeing universe is about to grant to you your manifestation. Just keep doing your affirmations. And for singles, I am seeing there is someone in your life, like it could be your friend or someone else who has a love interest in you, and you are not recognize this person, and I am seeing this person has genuine feelings for you. That was for you, Leo. If you want to ask me a free psychic question, then follow me on Instagram. In live you can ask me your question. Bye bye, thank you. Hello Virgo, welcome into your Maya's month psychic prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And if you guys want to ask me a free psychic question, then you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading, and you can ask me your question there. Virgos, you are guided to slow down. Like you are running in your life, it's time to slow down and just pay attention to all the corners of your life and decide what you want in your life and manifest, because I am seeing you are manifesting what you are thinking right now, and your thoughts are not aligned with what you want. And for some of you, I am seeing, guys, if you're manifesting something related to finances or career, then you need to broaden your perspective, think big, and decide what you exactly want in your job or in your career, and what exact amount of money you want to manifest in your life. Be specific and let the universe do his job. First do your job, decide what you want and how much you want, and then surrender to the universe so universe can give you. And please take care of your family, because I am seeing your family needs you, and this is time to heal your relationship with your family, especially with your mother or a grandmother, because I am seeing there are some issues will come in the month of May. You just need to surrender and try to heal these issues. And I am seeing people are coming to you to take some advice, and your intuition will help them in overcoming a challenge or difficult situation in their life. I am also seeing here dispute with your friends and siblings will end in this month, and everything will turn out to be positive, and all the negativity, all the lower energies in your relationship will end soon. And for lovers, I am seeing this month will be full of beautiful moments, romance, and harmony. I am seeing you guys will do a heart to heart conversation and will share deep connection with your loved one. And for singles, I am seeing this month will be full of positivity and peaceful. And I am also seeing like someone like a soulmate or friendship figure will pamper you this month, and you will feel full of positivity and loved. And this month will be full of enjoyment, bring harmony in your relationship, in your family. And I am also guided here to tell you, please think twice before making a big decision in your life. If you are thinking to make some changes, please think again and then make important decisions. So this was for you, Virgo. If you want to ask a free psyche question, uh, follow me on Instagram, and in live reading you can ask me your question. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello Libra, welcome into your Maya Psychic Prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And if you want to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading, and in live you can ask your question. Okay Libra, so this month you will be take some rest and try to listen to your inner voice, and you will figure out what you truly want in your life. You will make some choices related to your career, relationship and family life, and you will also make some wise choices while making your friends, because I am seeing there are some people who are like two faced. You will cut your connection with these kind of people and will move on with self love and positivity in your life. Tough situations and difficult lessons are about to end, and you will move on in your life with wisdom and positivity. And if you're running a family business, I am seeing you will channel some creative ideas from the universe, from the divine, and you will make some positive changes in your business. And if you want to start your own business, want to make some positive changes in your life, especially in your career, then this is the best month for do that. You can pray to your guides for help, and they will surely help you. I am also seeing here reward in career and business, and you can expect some kind of bonus and promotion in your career. And you will find yourself attracted towards spicy and fast food, especially cheesy food. And you are guided here to be mindful while choosing your food. And I am also guided here to tell you, please consume some high vibrational food, because I am sensing here you need to pay attention to your diet. And I am also listening here, please improve relation with your father, because I am seeing here your relation with male members in your family is not very good, so you are guided here to improve relationship with your family. And I am also sensing here by the end of this month you will see a positive change in relationship between you and your father. Okay, so that was for you Libra. If you want to ask me free psychic question in a live reading, please follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello Scorpio, welcome into my psychic prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading there. Okay Scorpio, so I am seeing a lot of things will happen in this month. A lot of things will take place and will give you a long term benefit. And I am seeing you will get some advice from your friends and family related to business and your love life. And this advice will be turned out to be a fruitful and a very positive advice. And for your love life, I am seeing someone special is coming in your life. It could be your current relationship or someone from your past or a new connection. And this person will make you feel love again. This person will fill your heart with a lot of positivity and a lot of love at once. You guys will enjoy each other's company fullest, and you are advised to avoid worthless topic here, because I am seeing you may find yourself stuck in useless conversation with someone like your friend or unknown person. So avoid these useless conversation and focus on your love life and your personal growth. Guys, if you are doing some kind of business, I am seeing a big deal is coming towards you. A big deal, a big client are coming towards you, and you need to open your heart to receive these clients. And I am also guided here to tell you, please do a gratitude journal on daily basis. The more you feel grateful for what you have, the more you will be able to attract more in your life. So be grateful. So that was for you, Scorpio. Thank you. And if you want to ask me a free live psychic question, please follow me on Instagram. In live, you can ask me your question. Bye bye. Hello Capricorn, welcome into your My Psychic Prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading, and in live you can ask me your question. So, okay, Capricorn, I am seeing this month will bring a lot of abundance and a lot of business opportunity in your life. And I am seeing a lot of positive changes, prosperities coming your way, especially in your career and work life. You are guided here to be slow down and observe all the opportunities all around you, because I am seeing door of abundance, prosperity are opening for you. And it's totally safe to implement new ideas in your career, in your business, and start something new and try these new ideas. I am also seeing there are a lot of positive and good people are coming your way who will help you in your career and to make your finances more stable. And I am also seeing, guys, you are attracting a lot of good clients, and these clients will give you a long term future benefit. I am also seeing here, guys, you need and you have to learn to say no to people while you are not want to help them. Please start saying no, because it's important for your soul growth, for your spiritual life. If you can't say no to people, it will affect your aura, it will affect your vibes. Please set boundaries with people and don't let them to affect your life too much. And I am also seeing here, please avoid conflicts at your workplace, because I am seeing some people are jealous from your progress and want to drag you in worthless arguments. And it's time to protect your aura and set boundaries with people and don't let to know too much about you. I'm also sensing here, guys, you have a very good power of manifestation, and it's the right time to manifest your life as you always wanted to have. And I'm also seeing, guys, you need to decide what you want in your life. Once you decide what you want in your life, universe surely deliver it to you. So grab your journal and write down all the things that you want to manifest in your life and let the universe deliver you. And I am also guided here to tell you, please focus on self-care, pamper yourself, and try to spend some time in nature, because I am seeing you need to work on your heart chakra. So nature is the best way to work on your heart chakra or open to your heart chakra. So guys, this was for you, Capricorn. And if you want to ask me a free psychic question, please follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading, and so please follow me there if you want to ask. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello Aquarius, welcome into your My Psychic Prediction reading. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free psychic question, you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading on my Instagram account. Go follow me there if you want to ask me a question. Thank you. So Aquarius, I am seeing this month will be your dream month. Like whatever you have planned for 2021, you will get half of the things in this month. And I am seeing everything will go as you have planned in terms of job, study, or family. And you are likely to be satisfied with the result, and you are likely to enjoy the company of your loved one, your family, and your close friend to the fullest. And I am also seeing, guys, you are advised, please don't engage in arguments or worthless topics, as it may create difference and will create some arguments in your life. And I am also seeing you are about to meet some amazing, like high vibrational people or people who have a good name, fame in society, who will help you a lot, and these people will help you in near future too. I'm also seeing, guys, you will meet some people who are Virgo, Gemini, and they will help you to achieve your goal. They will push you hard to achieve your goal, and I am seeing this person will give you long-term benefits and will help you a lot. Guys, I am also seeing someone, like someone in your life or some people will try to distract you from your goals, and you are advised to stay away from these kind of people, and you better know who these people are. So this was for you, Aquarius. If you want to ask me a free question in my Instagram live, please go and follow me there. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello Pisces, welcome into your my psychic prediction. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. And guys, if you want to ask me a free live question, you can follow me on Instagram. Every month I do a free live psychic reading on my Instagram account. And if you want to ask me your question, go follow me there. Okay, Pisces, I am seeing this month you can implement your long term plans related to your business, and I am seeing your business is related to something like spirituality or something related to divination, life coach, or a wellness coach. And in this month, you can implement your long term plans, and these plans will give you a fruitful result in long term. And I am also seeing this month your creativity will be at its peak. You are advised to take the advice of high vibrational people, because I am seeing their advice will turn out to be a long term financial and future benefit. And guys, keep noticing these ideas. I am seeing these ideas will pop up in your mind, like suddenly pop up through your intuition, through your guides. And some of these ideas might turn out best and successful, and things will go as you planned. You might also make some important and tough decisions related to your family life and love life. And I am also seeing someone close to your heart may create some problems in your life. So please be mindful before reacting their behavior or response to their questions, because I am seeing they will ask silly questions and will try to drag you into their drama. And guys, you're advised to focus on your spirituality, keep doing your meditation, because I am seeing your spiritual life will flourish in upcoming months, and May is the best month to focus on your spirituality, to decide what you want on spiritual levels. And I am also seeing your social life will expand, which will give you long term future benefits. I am also seeing your social network is increasing in upcoming months, and if you're doing any online business or dealing with customer or clients on online or daily basis, then I am seeing there will be a fruitful benefits, and you will get the reward of your hard work. Last but not the least, stay focused on your spiritual paths, follow your spirituality, and take care. Bye bye. If you want to ask me a free question, please follow me on Instagram. In live, you can ask me your question. Bye bye, guys. Take care.